Yes, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a natural home remedy to look younger than your age. It's as simple as rose water and aloe vera with just a few added touches. If you can't afford those expensive anti-aging serums, serums made at home are amazing for aging skin. Serums are light textured and absorb quickly into the skin. Aloe vera and rose water, when combined with a few more ingredients, make a wonderful homemade serum. Let's talk about aloe vera. For centuries, aloe vera has been used as an anti-aging treatment, and now scientific research is showing the chemical basis behind how it works. In addition to boosting collagen production, aloe vera gel also hydrates the skin and boosts the skin's elasticity, reducing the amount of fine lines and wrinkles. Then, rose water is often found in beauty products. Aimed to reduce wrinkles, it actually has anti-aging effects. In addition to soothing irritated skin, it is used to reduce the appearance of wrinkles when applied topically. Then we have vitamin C, which remarkably improves the resiliency and elasticity of the skin. As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin C neutralizes the free radicals that cause oxidative stress to skin and lead to premature skin aging. It is also essential to the production of collagen in skin cells, helping to support structure and delay signs of aging. Then vitamin E, which is the final ingredient I have. Applied topically, vitamin E oil can block free radicals and replenish lipids, which helps slow down the skin's aging process. Vitamin E has been known to help reduce wrinkles and fine lines and keep skin looking youthful. All you have to do to prepare this wonderful mixture is take your rose water, 5 tablespoons. Then just take 2 vitamin C tablets. Then take 2 tablespoons of vitamin E oil, or you can also use 2 to 3 capsules. Then take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Just put the vitamin C tablet in the rose water and let it dissolve. Add the aloe vera gel and vitamin E into the mix. Mix all the contents in one bottle. Store it in a cool, dry place. Mix 3 to 4 drops of this serum to the moisturizer or lotion that you use. Use this at night. This will make your skin more firm and tight when you wake in the morning. It's as simple as that, beautiful babes. And over time, no one will be able to guess your actual age. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please make sure you follow me on all of my social media outlets. And please make sure you don't miss another video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure you tell everybody where you're hanging out at. Please share me with your world. And I will see all of my beautiful babes on the next video. Bye now.